Good day, students. This is again chapter 7, video solutions, math 1026, and we're looking at page 61, number 5. We're given some right triangles, and they are similar triangles, and we have to figure out the values of two sides, x and y. So as you can see in the diagram, the two smaller right triangles are inside the larger right triangles. So which triangles do you use? Well, often when they overlap or a triangle's inside each other like that, it helps sometimes to separate. So let's just separate the triangles. I'm going to try to draw the smaller triangle and the larger triangle outside. So let me try the smaller triangle first. Let's see, pick a color here. So I'm drawing AM. Okay, there's a side, and so I got a quick sketch done of the smaller triangle. Now, do you see what letters? Let's mark it. This is M. The right angle's here at A according to the diagram, and this is E. So I have triangle MEA or MAE, whatever you want to call it. And this side is 6 and this side is 3. Now, which value am I looking for? I'm looking for a y and a y, which belongs to the mid-sized triangle, or x, which is belong to the larger triangle, and 6 is also part of the larger triangle. So it looks like the smaller one and the larger one. So I'm going to draw the larger one now. Let's go back and grab a ruler here and draw the larger triangle. So we got, now always draw it in the same orientation as the other one. So as you can see, I'm just drawing it to look like the smaller one. See that? So now they look the same, don't they? Drawn in this, what we call that, drawn in the same orientation. So they look similar to your eyes, similar position, right? Alright, let's bring back the pen and label that. And this one, of course, is the right angle of the big one is at M. Okay, now they share a common angle, E. E is a common angle. It's in the large right triangle and it's in the smaller right triangle. So if E goes in this position here, in the smaller one, it must go in the same position here, because right, they're equal angles. So E must go here. You match that up. Therefore, that leaves the letter N, or the top one, right? Now, put in any sides you know. EM I know is 6. And I know EN, they're calling that X. So let's see now. Do I have, first of all, similar triangles? And the answer is yes. I have angle equal to angle, same angle, call a common angle. And I have a right angle here at A equal to a right angle here at M. Therefore, these triangles are similar by angle-angle similarity postulate. So therefore, finding the x value, so it's corresponding side, so I'm picking 6 of the smaller side. Now what does that correspond to? Corresponds to x of the larger triangle. So I'm saying 6 is to x. Alright, see I did that. So I'm going smaller to larger. Then as 3, so now I'm doing this, 3 is to 6, and I'm going this way again, as 3 is to 6. So corresponding side of the smaller triangle over corresponding side of the larger triangle. Now we can cross multiply, so it's 3 times x equals 6 sixes are 36. Divide each side by 3, and of course x is equal to 12. So that's fairly straightforward once you separate them, isn't it? It gets confusing when they're together, but when you separate them, fairly straightforward. And therefore, how can we find y? Well, if you look back at the diagram, look at x. Now we know that x is 12. And if this much of it is 3, and of course this would be, because it looks like 3 plus y adds up to x. And if x is 12, then 3 plus y adds up to 12. Y must be 12. Subtract 3, or y must be 9. So there's the solution, the complete solution to Number 5 on page 61. The next video will involve some more practice on similar triangles.